first Ipsy PR box I've ever gotten. So we have a change. I am super excited about this. I just got this in the mail and I had to post this video. I was like, I've got to show them what's in it. Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping by the end of it, you'll want to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So unboxing Ipsy for April 2023. Yes, let's hope it's a good one. Okay, so Ipsy, let me see. I think it's still $28 with, or is it the Boxycharm? Okay, wait. Are we still getting Boxycharm boxes, or are they all going to be Ipsy boxes now? Because this is my PR box, I believe. So I don't even know which one this is. Let's just open her up and see what it says. Oh, no, wait. I don't even know. Guys, help me out. Who gets Ipsy PR? Because I'm a little confused. Okay, we're going to figure this out. There's like, I don't know, a bag and a bunch of products in here. So, okay, Ipsy Creator Incubator. That's what it says. We hope you love your products this month. Okay. Spring for it. Bare necessities. All right, so this is just what you could use in the springtime. All right, so let's see what's in here. Wow, okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out is Pacifica, 100% vegan and cruelty-free vegan collagen recovery body butter. Here it is. Very heavy jar. All right, flower extracts, all kinds of stuff. So what does this do? To support massage onto your clean body. Okay, so this is definitely for the body. Ooh, it's got a seal. Well, not a really good one. Wow. It smells like flowers. And the consistency feels like it looks like it's going to be kind of hard. And it is. It's definitely like it's not a creamy body butter. It's more like I don't know, it kind of feels like a gloss. This is weird. Yeah, all right. Maybe it has a little luminous to it, luminosity. No, but it smells good. All right, moving on. Okay, we have a lip product here. Ciate London Smiley Lip Mask. Okay, I'm excited. This is exciting to me. I've seen a smiley face before, but I don't know if it's the same thing, company. All right, so balm and mask, lip balm and mask. I don't really smell anything. Let's see. There's a little bit there. Ooh, it's a nice thick balm, and it's not sticky, and it's not like that jelly-like either. Okay, I'm liking that. Very nice. Next, we have Drunk Elephant Oblos Rosy Drops. Blush. It's a blush. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Is that the color? Ooh, I'm excited. Drunk Elephant. Little tiny cardboard. All right, let's see. Oh, how cute. Look at the packaging. That's adorable. All right. I'm pretty new to Drunk Elephant products. Okay, it's got a little squeeze thing. That scares me. Okay, so there. It didn't come out fast, but I was also gentle. Ooh, and here's the color. Can you see that? That's super pretty. Oh, wow. Okay. Nice, and it kind of gives like a satiny finish. Kind of cool. All right, I'm excited about that. What do we have next? The Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Snap Shadows. I remember when these came out. Which one is this? Smoky 6. I actually have this one. These are the ones where the cases can snap together. All right. Let me show you. Ooh, she's cute. I like her. It's been a while since I've pulled one of these out. Okay. Next. Ole Henriksen. So I think these were all the spoilers, if I remember correctly, for the products that you could get for the month. Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C Stick. I don't know what to do with this. What would you do with this? And who the heck can read this? Right in your under eye. Okay, so it's for the under eye. Ah, there we go. Let's put some on my hand here. Rub it in. Here it is here. It's kind of like a yellow tint. Well, it looks more yellow on camera than it does, but here, let me just put it over here so you can see. That right there. I'm gonna have to try that. I'm curious. I don't know, wouldn't there be, I don't know, we'll have to see. We'll have to use that, we'll have to see. Okay. Now we have in here a regular glam bag, I think. So let me go ahead and show you what these products were. We'll recap this and then we'll get into the little bag. All right, so the Drunk Elephant Blush Drops, the Lip Mask Balm, the Pacifica Collagen Body Cream, the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C Under Eye Stick, and the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow Palette. Okay, so we have that. Now for the glam bag. I think that's kind of cool. You got 5 products. I'm guessing that's the Boxycharm box, for this month. And then here is the glam bag. What fell? More squigglies? Okay, here it is. Cute. On the back it says, look good, do good. I like that. It's cute. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm gonna pull it all out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. What do we have first here? We have got shades of Shan, the gel eyeliner. Ooh, okay. It is black brown, it looks like. Oh, brown sugar, it says. Where did that bug come from? Can't stand bugs. Okay, so there's that. Then we have by Real Her, I Am Beautiful. What does that mean? What do we got here? Let's break the seal. Gotta know here. What is this? Is this a mascara? Let me see. Yep. Okay. Then we have by Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis and Minerals Facial Scrub. These are deluxe samples. Obviously, they consider this a full-size product. And then it looks like we've got, I don't know if this is Shayna B Miami. Is this an eyeshadow? Yes, it's an eyeshadow duo. Oh my gosh, can I get this too? Ooh, that's pretty. You see that? Let's swatch. Okay. This one I'd have to be really tan for. It's blending all right. Who knows though until you try it on the eye, right? And the last product is the Porefessional. This isn't by Benefit, right? Because that's not their packaging, although that is the name they use. Let's just see. Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser Mousse. It is by Benefit. It's just different types of packaging. All right, so this is a cleanser. And this is a cleanser. So there's 2 cleansers. Then there's a mascara and an eyeshadow duo and an eyeliner. But I think that's pretty good. I don't think that that's bad. I actually kind of like this glam bag. This is pretty neat. Okay, cool. So the Porefessional cleanser, the Hey Honey cleanser, the mascara, the Dew eyeshadow, and then the gel liner. That's everything in the Ipsy bag. So I'm guessing that's how they roll with their PR boxes. They do the Ipsy Glam Bag, and then they do the Boxycharm box. It came in a pretty Ipsy box. Now tell me what you think. Did you like my bag and my box? I'm pretty happy with it. I'm super excited. I am excited to see what my paid boxes are going to bring. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, so we can compare the PR box with the paid boxes and see if we get the same items or not. And it'll just kind of help everybody out, as opposed to how Ipsy's doing things now. If things are really, really changing, or we're just going to end up with pretty much the same brand, same products, and just one subscription box now. You know what I mean? All right. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Talk to me down in the comments. I can't wait to talk to you there, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.